everybody? It's Duke Randall, guys. Oh, it is hay season in Southern Illinois. And like I said, you be seeing stuff I do in the outdoors on my little adventures. That's what I do. Oh, getting ready to go. I do it every year. I got my bucket to tie off on the tractor, and I got my headset to listen to some good music. Oh, I am ready. It is hay season, and it's time to get back in the saddle of driving them old John Deeres. I'll see you in a little bit. Say hi, baby. Say, I'm a pretty baby. Yeah. Yes, I am. Yeah, lady, you are a good girl. Very good girl. Well, I reckon everything's ready to go today. We only got like 2 little fields to do. And but we're gonna get it raked and baled today because it's supposed to rain all week. Oh boy, it's been a day. Hotter than blazes, but ain't nothing like life being on a farm. So, y'all, it's been a good day today. Be sure to go get out in nature, guys. It's nice weather out here. It's hotter than blazes, but it's still nice weather. I highly recommend you guys to get out and enjoy nature, because nature ain't a place to visit, folks. It's home. Enjoy it. Have a good day, everybody. God bless every single one of you. I love you. Peace out, folks, and have a good day.